Good morning everyone, how's everything going? Well, today I went to my site, but I actually have to go to another site in Kharj. So just getting my car refueled here on this Makkah road, but I will take a U-turn and I'll come back to go towards the opposite side on Makkah road and then go towards Kharj. So well, asked the guy to make it full, so it's gonna take some time, but anyways, in the meanwhile, I hope all of you are in the best of health, wealth, love and happiness in your life. Kif halukum? How's everything going? So today the temperature isn't that much outside because it's early in the day, almost 9 a.m. So that's the situation right now. So let's see how it goes. The sale value is at 80. I think it will reach around 95. So well, also have to get the car washed, so I'll take out time for that sometime later. Yeah, so I think it's 90. Yeah, 91. So well, here we go. अच्छा भैया बात सुना यार, वो 91 का हुआ, 101 का करता है, 10 रियाल मैंने आपको देना, 101 का करना है, 91 इसका हो जाएगा,
91 आयो,
और जो 10 ऊपर है वो आपका है, आपको मेरी तरफ से
कम 110
101 10 रियाल आप मुझे देगा ना? आया?
मारो
111 नहीं, 101 101
10 तो नहीं आएगा, पहले
10 नहीं आएगा, फिर हाँ 91 ही कर दो। चलो हाँ चलो ये लो, नहीं कोई मसला नहीं, ये हाँ 91 हो गया। अब आ गया मादा यार, ओ हो बहुत यार मादा
मुश्किल है।
हाँ बहुत मुश्किल है, ये लो आ गया।
रकम मारो ऐसा।
अच्छा आया 91, ये आपका,
शुक्रिया।
हाँ वेलकम। So well, we are off to Kharj. Yeah, time to leave from here. I also couldn't get breakfast because I had to leave for Kharj in a hurry. So well, let's see when I can have breakfast or lunch, but anyways, here we go. Still a 55-minute journey ahead of us. I really wanted to record this because obviously recording with the iPhone and all that, the other stuff in my life, sometimes it's not possible. But with the, and also the other thing, most of my time is spent commuting, moving from one place to the other. So this is a good time for recording my memories, my journeys, and also to talk to you guys as well. So that's why this has a lot of importance to me. So well, could you guess this is Riyadh? A lot of greenery, pleasant for the eyes.
Okay
guys, I'll
7820 incoming call.
talk to you in a bit.
Or hung up the
So well everyone, there's some traffic and I actually had to attend a call, so I cut the recording in between. So oh wow, check out how wide this road looks during the day. Makkah Al Mukarramah road here in Riyadh. So there's gonna be traffic for I think 4 or 5 kilometers, but just like this, like you are seeing right now. But I will actually try to record the video after this patch. See you again soon. So here we go everyone. I got busy on a few calls, so right now there isn't much distance remaining. So here we are. Check the traffic on the bridge over there. Okay. So after passing that patch of traffic, I didn't face much traffic. It was relatively smooth, and well, it makes sense because obviously it's office time, so the roads will be relatively free. And here we are. Going to Al Kharj. I've been to Al Kharj once. I have videos on the channel before, and other than that, I've been on Al Kharj road quite a few times, especially to this place 500,000 that's on the Kharj road. It has become a must stop on the way. On this road I haven't seen any speed limit sign yet, but I'm going 100, but I believe it's 120. It should be. Anyways, if I see a clear sign 120, does anyone of you know what's the speed limit on this road? Because I have traversed here many times, but I didn't see a sign. But obviously once you go out of Riyadh, there's 120, but we are still inside Riyadh, as you can see over here on the map. Still a lot of Riyadh left. There's the industrial city over here to the right. I have a friend over here, sometimes I come to meet him as well. There's traffic on the other side, by the way. There's traffic over there, but the road going to Kharj, you can see it's not, it doesn't even have that much cars. So what we mainly have is these transportation vehicles. So yeah, this guy passed me and he is at, I believe, 110 or something. The speed limit for trucks was 80, going down there. But okay, no worries, these guys are going. So now we see a lot of dust and the start of the desert over here. Oh, there's a lot of dust, honestly. there's this distribution substation. Now the dust has settled. What about the roads at your place? Where do you guys live? The road infrastructure in Riyadh, I would say in almost all the places it's good. They could do better, but anyways, it's quite good for what it is. But the problem here is the traffic. There's a lot of cars. Almost, I think every household might have 2-3 cars. So like one car for one person, and cars are slowing over there. We have to put on the emergency lights because you see sometimes the cars are breezing on these roads, so you have to be very careful. So well, this is the situation here. Alhamdulillah. Oh goodness. This car had an accident with a truck. Oof. From behind. The car hit the truck from behind this. It was a pickup van. A pickup truck, not a van. So here we go to Kharj. Let's put the car in sports mode. Now we are gonna be on the Kharj highway, sports mode. Okay, let's go. Now we are officially outside the city. On our way to Kharj. Let's go guys, let's go. think in the far distance I cannot see that much because the road, although it's clear, but the surroundings, it's full of dust. Check out the cars on this ramp. Last time we went to Kharj, me and my friends Fazan and Saad. So along our way we stopped at this one place which apparently seemed like a lake from the Google Maps, but once we went there it was all dried up and we had a little misadventure while we were on our way to Kharj. So well, that was the scene. It was interesting because the wheel of this car, one wheel actually got stuck in sand, although it was a dirt track, but on one side the dirt, actually the solid dirt, it washed away and there was like some sand. So then eventually we got it out. But anyways, if you have to go off-road, you have to have a proper off-roader. This was just something that we did out of curiosity. So guys, that's going to be pretty much it. So there's the 500,000. So if I didn't have to go to work, so I would have stopped by here. Well, I will meet you later as I'm nearing my work, so I'll stop the video. I'll see you in a while. Now one thing that I would like to show you is that this car right now is going 60, 70. How quickly it reaches 120? Let's see, let's try. Right now it's in sports mode. There you go. It's already there. See you in a bit. Not in a bit because I have a day of work.